In today's video, we are going to show you how to change a background in Higgsfield. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do once you are logged in is I want you to hover to the top corner where you can see the option that says image. Now, if you already have an image uploaded to your dashboard, you can simply select that, or if you want to upload another image, you can do so. In my case, I have one here and I want to remove the background. All I have to do is describe the scene you wanted. For example, remove the background. Okay? And click the generate button. Now remember, whenever you generate here in Higgsfield, it requires credits, so you should be mindful of that. At the bottom, you can also choose the different models if you wanted. For example, this one. Okay, so the lesser model you choose, the lesser credits you will be using. All right, so if that makes sense. For example, we can try as many as we can. So it's like we're not going to be taking too many credits. Once you've done that, click the generate button. Now, the processing time may vary depending on the complexity of the image that has been uploaded. If it's still complex, this may take some time. And once the image has been successfully rendered, all I have to do is you can preview that. If you are happy, you can simply click the download, or if you want to edit it, upscale, enhance, relight, and paint, you can do so. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to change the background here in Higgsfield AI. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.